Hello everyone, in this video let's know how to make a tricolor dosa. A dosa is a recipe originating from South India made from a fermented batter. For this we need a chopped capsicum, a chopped onion and a chopped carrot. Also some fermented dosa batter. First, let's put a pan and let it heat in the medium flame. Now let's add some oil and spread it all over the pan. Now pour and spread out the batter on the hot pan in a square shape like showing in the video. Make all the sides even. Now add the chopped carrots, onions and capsicum pieces to the dosa. Carrots give us vitamin A and some fibers which are good for our eyes. Onions give us vitamin C which helps to boost our immunity. They also have antibacterial properties. Capsicum contains vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin B6, iron and more. Capsicum is good for our eyes and also it prevents pimples and rashes on our skin. Add some oil on the dosa after adding the vegetables. Now put a lid on the pan for 2 or 3 minutes. Take out the lid and press the vegetables with the wooden spatula like showing in the video. Now flip the dosa like this. Pressing the vegetables will prevent them come off when we flip it. Now let's serve the yummy dosa into the plate. It's very healthy and tasty, right? You can also make this recipe in a circular shape. Do not forget to try this yummy recipe at your home. And thanks for watching.